Hello, my name is Liliana, and this is my daughter Yasmin. She is 7.
Hello.
And this is Jenga. We are going to play Jenga from IKEA. It differs from the classic Jenga game. As you can see, this Jenga has colored blocks, while classic Jenga has uncolored ones. In addition, IKEA's Jenga has a die. In general, Jenga is played with 54 blocks. The number of players may vary from 1 to 6. The rules are simple. Build a tower on a flat surface, or use a special box for this purpose. Once the tower is built, roll a die and remove a block of the same color. Tap blocks to find a loose one. You manually use one hand to remove a block. Place it on the top at right angle to the blocks the level below. The top level must always consist of 3 blocks. Go on removing and stacking blocks by turns. The game ends when the tower falls. White. Now it's your turn.
Blue.
Okay, use only one hand and place it on the top. Good. White. Your turn. White again. Okay. Be careful. You're 5. We bought our Jenga in IKEA, but you can buy it in any toy store or in such online stores like Amazon or AliExpress. We know family like to play Jenga. This game helps the child to develop motor skills and hand and eye coordination. Also, a child may use Jenga blocks on his or her own games. Moreover, adults enjoy playing Jenga as well. For example, once my husband brought our Jenga to his office party and it was a success. Jenga requires relatively much space and flat, stable surface. Put it simply, you can hardly put it on the road. To sum up, I love this game and I gave it 8 out of 10.